Hello, I'm Gus Velasco, General Manager, COIT Services in Houston, Texas. We specialize in carpet upholstery and air duct cleaning here in the Houston market. I would say for anyone that's looking for dispatching software, that Workiz is the one-stop shop. There were other options available out there, but I feel that Workiz was a better fit for our industry's trade services. The system is easy to use, not a lot of training is needed, and the onboarding process is easy as well. Since we started using Workiz, our business has become more effective, more efficient. We have less production time, we have more effectiveness out in the field, our open lines of communication with our customers and our office has increased dramatically. Workiz, in comparison to our competitor, has stood out by the fact that we can do digital estimating, on-site estimating versus manual estimating and minimizing the paperwork. Workiz has made it easier, more feasible for us to work around the customer. Our team's day-to-day work has been improved by using less time processing the previous day's bookings. We can focus more on day-to-day activity, morning huddles, morning meetings, and get to our customer in a timely manner. Workiz makes a significant difference when a customer requests an invoice. There's a portal through Workiz where the customer has the invoice at their fingertip. Overall, the customer satisfaction has improved by customer communication, management, and field personnel communication.